Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Euro tournament in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this a tournament, UEFA Euro 2024. So there is entries limit here, refresh in 6 days. So you can choose your difficulties here. There are beginner, amateur, semi-pro, professional, world class, and legendary. So if you are new into this game, I recommend you to start from the amateur, or if you're there, you can go to semi-pro. And I will start from the professional to enjoy this tournament. And then this is, if you notice, there is a reward if you win this in current difficulty professional. You can get this token journey point. This can be earned from UEFA Euro 2024 event and is used to gain reward from reward chapter. So there will be event or chapter in the future. And this is the German national team if you choose this German. And also let's see another team, France. This one, you can tap this formation icon at the bottom. This is France national team. So you can see the details, the player details here. Let's get back. So I choose France here, and this is the group. You can shuffle. There is 3 times shuffle here, and then if you feel this group satisfy, you can tap play button. And welcome to the Euro 2024. This is the intro, the animation intro. So this is like Champions League tournament. You can a game plan. You can make a create your line up first before a going to the match. This is the reward. This is the schedule, or you can forfeit to change your country. So after that, you can tap this play button. So good luck, challenge yourself in this UEFA Euro 2024. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.